wish to make a public apology for my thoughtless behavior. I have heard the feelings of my fellow South Africans. I realize that what I have done is wrong. I'm very, very sorry. Forgive me. It is difficult to put into words the regret I feel. I will from now on strive to be a better citizen, respecting others and working towards making our country a better place to live in. A place where we are accepting of each other, a place we can all call home. I accept that by comparing black people to monkeys in my Facebook post earlier this year, I have impaired the dignity of African people. Please accept my heartfelt apology. And I have signed this document. 12th day of September. Thank you.
Do we have any fellow seniors